our underhand throw today. You're going to use a soft ball or just a regular ball. So with the underhand throw, you're going to step with your opposite foot and swing that arm back as you step with the opposite foot and swing that arm forward. Okay, as you swing that arm forward, you're going to release that ball or a softball. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to practice throwing the underhand throw to ourselves 5 times. Okay, so you're going to step, toss up in the air, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. You can stop there or continue to challenge yourself by throwing the sock even more up in the air above your head 5 more times. From there, we're going to aim at a target this time. So we're going to take our softball or our regular ball and we're going to swing back, step forward with our opposite leg, and swing to the target. A target could be anything with cups, plastic cups. Please do not use glass cups as they'll break, but you can use plastic cups on the ground in a triangle format, just like bowling, because in bowling we use our underarm. Or you can have a picture on the wall and you can aim the ball at that target on the wall. Okay, so we're going to do this 5 times. So when we step with our opposite foot, we're just going to swing. Try to get all the cups knocked down, just like bowling. See how many cups you got knocked down? I got 2, right? You're going to set it up again. Do triangle format. Then we're going to take our softball. So at how many cups you got down is how many points you'll receive. So let's do that one more time. And we're going to do that 5 times. All right, so I got 3 cups down. I received 3 points. With the picture on the wall, you can try to throw the ball as many times and try to hit that picture. If you hit the picture once, that's 1 point. And then you can have maybe multiple images on the wall. So let's say you have 3 different pictures and one picture is 1 point, the middle picture is 2 points, third picture is 3 points. You can add those points up, be creative with it. But I do suggest you using the cups because they probably are easier and it's great practice to do your underhand throw while practicing bowling and other sport activities. Okay? Great job. Thanks so much.